Hello to everybody. In this session, we will discuss about how to make long journeys through space by creating sustainable, continuous human habitable ecosystem cycle. We humans are habituated comfortably in our Earth's ecosystem, which flourishes other forms of life on Earth. But when we go out of the system to alien planets, we may come across harsh and unsustainable atmosphere. We need adaptations in these harsh environments. So let us discuss briefly the basic things humans need to survive. First is oxygen at Earth's atmospheric pressure and temperature at 20 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius and food to eat. So when we travel to far off places away from the Earth, we need to replenish all these requirements in space vehicle regularly. So we need to run a small ecosystem cycle within the vehicle to replenish these needs without any shortage. As far as dream of habituating other planets of our solar system may seems to be a difficult dream, as most critical factors are other planets' oxygen atmosphere pressure, which is should be equal to Earth's atmospheric pressure, so that we can live without any spacesuit on other planets. Otherwise, we have to live in well-controlled room in alien environment. The atmosphere exerts its pressure on our human body. The same way our body exerts equal pressure outward. Both mutually balance each other, hence we stay stable. So in order to live on other planets, we need to consider planets' atmosphere similar to counterparts Earth's atmospheric pressure. Though it seems difficult, we can land on other planets of our solar system using special space suit and study alien environment through self-sustaining space U-craft. Secondly, we need water, which is essential for survival. Thirdly, we require food for humans on U-craft. So this U-craft should house every facilities and comforts resembling earthly conditions, capable of flying everywhere. So we need new few cycles to be continuously engaged in U-craft. We need to grow plants which take up our carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, so that we can left with plenty of oxygen for our respiration purposes. The plants are made to grow under artificial light, similar to sunlight developed within the space U-craft. The human waste can be processed and used as manual plants, so that it gets sufficient nitrogen for growth. We can also use any other microorganisms which does similar job. Second is water cycle. Since we cannot get water in space, we need to recycle it within the space U-craft by purifying, filtering, processing the contaminated and used waters repeatedly. We should also have facilities in U-craft to search for water resources in their voyages on other planets, so that even if it is in the form of ice or in any other form, we can make use of it for our purposes. Same is the case for oxygen too. With little physics and chemistry in hand, we should be able to get oxygen and water from other compounds available in the outer space on other planets, either by association or dissociation of compounds by physically or chemically, to get oxygen and water and get replenished in their journey continuously. Since we will have plenty of energies in the U-craft, it would not be that much difficult. Third is about food production. Food production is achieved by raising the plants as explained above. So we need to fix these three cycles in the space U-craft. We need to keep high energy eatables with less production time, so that it can replenish regularly all the basic needs of human beings. In addition to medicine taken from the earth for the long voyages, we should also take some medicinal plants. If we fall sick, we can take natural medicine. If the above processes and cycles are experimented and made perfect, we can think of human beings habitating across universe and extend far off universe. In order to house all these facilities, we need to build a robust U-craft. If possible, we should try to simulate artificial gravity in U-craft as that of on Earth, to feel much like home when in voyages through space. This can be achieved through a series of springs and dashpots. That's all in this session. I want to end this session.